Hi guys, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
He's my friend Tokyo from Japan.
Yeah.
He's my friend James from China, and we are heading to Japanese festival in Sydney, Darling Harbour.
So excited, man.
Let's enjoy, guys.
Maybe this way.
Okay. Sorry. So we are almost near the festival venue, and people must be there. You can see.
So many people here. We're gonna have fun today.
Yeah. So just stay tuned with us, and we'll show you a lot of foods there and performances, Japanese culture, and lot of things. Tokyo is with us. He will guide us like a professional way. I look like Japanese, yeah?
Yeah, very look like Japanese.
Don't hit at the same time if you don't get very bad.
Yeah!
Okay, so
What's
what
up,
we'll do is
guys? Oh, smile, beautiful.
we'll address this with a few words.
Okay, all good.
So this is time to eat something. We are eating Tokyo. What we are eating now?
Takoyaki.
Takoyaki. Yeah, it's like an octopus. What's the takoyaki? It's an octopus.
Yeah, octopus with some powder. Yeah.
Let's go. Order it.
Please get a 3 takoyaki.
Yeah, 3 of them, please. So we already get the token for food, and this is the pickup point. Tokyo, he refer this food, takoyaki. Yeah. We already know takoyaki is very famous, and this is the pickup point.
Looking forward to eating takoyaki, man.
Yeah. So this is the point where we will get this.
See, we have a long line over there. A lot of people are waiting for the.
As you can see, the stove is busy for cooking. This is the Japanese kitchen. As you can see, guys, our food is prepped. They are prepping our food for us.
Let's go.
Yes.
Fortunately, today is good weather.
Guys, look at the chicken. So tempting, yeah?
Oishii.
Oshi. Alright, guys.
Hey, man, how's it going?
Hope you are enjoying our video, sir. Tokyo, you have a quick question for you. How many time in one month or 1 year?
1 year.
In Tokyo.
It depends on place, but usually only started July and then September until September. The 2 months or 3 months. There are a lot actually, a lot of festivals.
So you see first time this Matsuri festival in Sydney, yeah?
Yes.
So
exactly.
what you feel is you feel look like a little bit good. Yes.
Actually, it's totally different, but it
Okay.
looks like same, yeah. Okay, it was so fun.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
That's good.
Was it traditional like Japanese dancing? Is it traditional?
Which one?
The drum one.
Drama, yeah, it's
very
very traditional, yeah.
Okay.
Traditional, yeah.
James, you like this?
Yeah. The food is great and the performance is great. Yeah, I love it.
Next time, another video, another people, another festival. We will join you guys. Take care. Bye.
Bye bye.
Please subscribe my channel as well.